What up? It's your boy. It's your boy. Uh, kind of special video. Basically, I need some advice. I fucking need some advice from uh, eating meat. Well, I think 2 years ago, gonna tell you the story. I don't know how or why I felt this, but I was eating and I would always eat a lot. I ate a lot of meat. Well, one day my father comes home with a half chicken each. Half chicken. And my mom makes it in the oven. And well, we go eat. And then I was eating the chicken as I was pulling off the limbs and ribs. What the fuck? I don't know. I got the sense that it was a real corpse. Yeah, and that threw me off from eating meat, and I gave up almost all meat. Only the meat that it was in soups I still ate, and yeah, just dishes where there's just a little bit meat masqueraded or masked, I should say, masked. Then I didn't mind it, but like real pieces of meat, I couldn't eat that shit anymore, man. And I think I did that for about a year and a half or something. I don't know, maybe less, but I think a year and a half. But my muscles started to, well, I had a lot of pain, but my muscles wouldn't heal rapid, so I figured this was the meat, so just out of pure pain, I started to eat meat again. So, and that was last year, I think. This is 14 months ago, I think. 14, 15 months. So, and now, yeah, I was just coming home an hour ago and my father had baked me bacon. A whole plate of bacon, and I was hungry, man. It was just bread and bacon. And I got the same feeling back again, like with the chicken. Like fucking disgusting, man. It was tasty, man. It really tasted it, but I'm disgusted by it, man. I don't know what it is, but I told my father just minutes ago, don't bring me any meat anymore. So you said, yeah, okay, but my mom is like, she's really against that. She she thinks there's a lot of good stuff in meat. Uh, probably there's probably some good stuff in it, but I'm just disgusted by it, man. I'm gonna quit meat again. I'm gonna quit it again, man. So I ask you guys for some advice. Uh, what do I replace meat with? I'm already taking protein powder every day with my oats, and I take all these supplements. The supplements I'm gonna take eventually because I ordered some. Or arginine, I have that. Lysine, citrulline, boron, K2, D3, selenium, B12, maybe one more. Oh yeah, one. Oh, fuck shit. Like those fish pills, fish oil pills. I do take those also. Yeah, that's about all the supplements I almost take. I'm still waiting for 2. So, is that enough to replace meat? I don't know. Maybe you guys know. I know you, Critical Break. You're a vegetarian, so maybe you can help me out on this. But yeah, I'm disgusted by meat. Yeah, I don't want to eat it anymore. Even though I like to eat it, but it's disgusting me, man. So maybe you can give me some advice. Okay. Thank you. Thank you in advance. So okay. Bye bye.